welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing wonderful today. So I want to share this haul that I have here. I don't have everything. I think some stuff got delayed. I don't know why, but I will just share what I have so far. And yeah, y'all, so this is my planner. Usually my planner set up but I already had it set up, so I was like, I'll go ahead and do it this way. So I've been watching the girls with these large satchels. So I did get a large, is it called a large satchel? What is the name of it, y'all? I'm losing my thought, scooting up my chair, y'all. Losing my thought because it is late. It is late. But anyway, I got 3 Coach items today, and I'm happy I got these today. And I'm really happy about this little bag charm because this is my first one. My very first one. So cute. It is a lot bigger than I thought. Super cute, y'all. And this was hard. This was hard for me to spend this much on this little bag. When I could spend a little bit more and get a wallet or, you know, a Nolita or something. But this is so cute. I wanted one of these little charm bags. So cute. Let's see. Take everything out. Super cute, y'all. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. So cute. And I can't even read it, y'all. Because I need my glass. I got my glasses on, but I can't see. I can't see. Oh my goodness. So I can just see that on my bag. And I'm going to take that paper off for the video. So then I did get a wallet. And I didn't get the other wallet, y'all. I need to switch my pocketbooks. I'm bad at switching out my pocketbooks. And I thought I would be a little bit better. But when I get busy, I need to at least do it twice a month. So this is a signature Coach C's in saddle brown. And I wouldn't mind having the dark C's in this wallet. But I got that satchel bag, the large satchel. And you guys seen this before. I don't know why it just seemed like it's so familiar. Because I did get that leopard wallet. And I didn't haul that or anything. I didn't show you guys. It's super cute. And this is my favorite style wallet. Well, actually, I have 2 with Coach. Is this one, the long one, and then it's the other billfold with the snap. I like that one too. So I hate to take all this out, but y'all get the gist. Y'all get the gist. So this is the tan brown signature canvas. And then this was on sale for, the accessories was like buy 2 or more and get 20% off, I believe. So that's why I went ahead and got the little satchel bag. So I've been watching, I watched a couple YouTube videos, and then I went on TikTok and they started showing me the bags, probably because they kind of was, y'all know these apps be spying on what you're doing. And well, no, I don't know how I got that because I've been watching purse videos on YouTube. So anyway, I must have showed interest or something, and it just started showing me, taking me down this rabbit hole of all these ladies with these Coach bags. And I was like, I'm here for it. But it kind of messed up your algorithm because you might have been watching, like one time I was watching Blackstone videos. And then, let's see, I don't know what else I was watching recently. Then you go watch the people who you follow and stuff like that. And it kind of messes up your algorithm. Okay, y'all. So then I love these wristlets. I don't know what it is. I just like them. They're just so cute. And they're so affordable. So affordable. So y'all seen the inside of them. And I think, yeah, I think I have quite, no, I don't have a big collection of these signature C's. But I want to say, do I have, oh, I have the pencil bag and I have the notebook. Hopefully y'all can hear me because I turned around. The pencil bag and the notebook. And I have to see if I have anything else other than that. But yeah, I need to start like growing like one collection. So this is the tan brown. And then I did get that other, I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Oh yeah, I got the pouch. I thought that pouch was super cute in the signature C's. So those right there, y'all. And let me take this off. Or I might should leave it on there, y'all, till I carry it, maybe? No, hold on. This is so cute. And I think they have, don't they have like a little Nolita like this? And then they have the little backpack. So maybe one day. But I heard some of the girlies say that they have went up on some of these things. And I think these are one of the items they have went up. They didn't used to be as much. Because I'm like, what in the world? It's almost the price of a wallet. A wallet or a Nolita. Or maybe another bag if it's on clearance. So, yeah, they wrapped this Mama Jamma good. I did see somebody like packing like little mini bags. And she got so many. I think it was on Facebook. And I don't remember who it was. And she put a lot of in these little bags. Like a lip gloss and some other stuff. But that is so cute. And I'm glad they put the hardware on there. Especially for the price. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, you can get quite much in there. If I can move my thumb out the way. Hey, y'all. So I unboxed my large Rowan satchel last night. This is the signature. See, I want to say in, is it medium brown? Let me make sure, y'all. Tan brown. Tan brown. And this is so pretty. I mean, so pretty. It has feet on the bottom and just so pretty. I was afraid that it was going to be too large, though I like large bags, but it seems like the older I get, I don't want it too large or whatever, but this is so pretty. So pretty. I told myself this was the last bag I was gonna buy for 2024, but I'm gonna have to get another one for Christmas, y'all, because this is so pretty. I don't have a Speedy. Maybe one day I'll have a Speedy, but you have a pocket back here in the back. I mean, it is structured so well. I do need to take the paper off, and I'll do that in a second. I don't even have my phone on a tripod. But the hardware, I mean, so pretty. Very pretty. Really pretty. I have some accessories with it. Let's see what I have right here. I went ahead and opened this, and I accidentally purchased 2 of these. I don't know what I was thinking, and so it's gonna go to my mama. She gonna find out when she see this video. Go to her. Her birthday's coming up, so I give her the other one. And I thought this was super cute. I saw this before. Well, I think that I always wanted a Rowan, but my attention wasn't on it until the girls started talking about it. And then I was like, ooh. But I saw this first because this was a different, for me, a different shape and style. And I like this pouch. So super cute. It was part of that sale where if you bought 2 or more accessories or something like that, it was like 20% off. So I got that. So one came with the bag, and then this came with something else. And I was trying to get that Signature C patent leather black, or it looks like Signature, y'all, and they canceled my order twice. I know usually with Coach, well, the first time it wasn't really low, or was it? But I kind of know with Coach, if they only say they have a couple of them left, that you may not get it. I wish I lived closer to an outlet, but I don't. Yeah, it's closer for me to go to the mall to go to regular retail. But I think I did show the other accessories to go with it. Let me get up and show you. Okay, y'all. So moving on to Target. I'm a little disappointed because I should have ordered this, but my husband was off this week for vacation, so I knew I wouldn't be able to get to the store like I wanted to get to the store, so I just did a delivery instead. And I'm still gonna think about it, but I may keep these straps, y'all, but I don't know, because when Mom and I went to Target a couple of days ago, or a week or two ago, I know this chain right here was shorter. It wasn't this long. And I know it did say, y'all, it did say shoulder strap on the description. And I didn't look at the dimensions. I don't know why I didn't look at the length. It was $10, y'all. And of course, I wanted the leopard looking, what they call this? Maybe not necessarily leopard, but, well, it says brown. Tortoise, that's what they call it sometimes. So I knew this one was long, but I didn't know this one was long, because when we went in that Target that day, I would have got it, but I didn't know it was a thing. And it was shorter. It was like half of this, y'all. I thought it was. Maybe I didn't pay attention, but I thought it was. And I don't necessarily want a metal chain strap, because it'll make my bag heavier, because that satchel looks like it is large. Well, it is large, and I know I'll put a bunch of stuff in it. It's gonna be heavy, so hopefully it won't be. So this handle strap, this is $5, so I know this will be cute on the bag. And I seen where the girls on TikTok that they're even decorating, going to Michael's and making their own charms and everything. And this one too, I thought would be cute. This one's $5, and these were actually on sale. So I can't remember the sale. I'll see if I look it up and I'll put it across the screen. So I knew these were short, but these are a little bit longer. So I'm just going to hold on to them, because you can always switch them out to something else. But I am going to look for the shorter one, because I know I've seen a shorter one. So I wondered to Temu, if y'all know where I can get a shorter one, let me know. A shorter faux gold chain. And I'm trying to think what else I got over here, y'all. Let's see. I can share this. So my mom got me, she went to Myrtle Beach with my aunt a couple weeks ago. And so she got this little keychain. It's at Myrtle Beach. Super cute. And then she also saw this signature keychain in rose gold that said Hope, which I thought was cute. And y'all, growing up, I couldn't hardly find my name anywhere. And now I can find my name. Because I wanted like a name like Samantha, Sabrina, Tiffany, something like that. Because it was always on the little license plates or the little keychains or the shirts or whatever at the or bookmarks at the convenience stores when you stop on those trips and stuff. But anyway, I'm glad my mama named me my name now. But then I wanted a different name. Okay, y'all. So then I saw this at Marshall's. Did I haul this? I don't remember, y'all. So if I see you see it again, I'm sorry. I wanted this double eyeglass case, and it is $7.99. And I wanted this really to be in a bag or a tote bag if I was in the house going back and forth, or like putting my blue light lenses on one side and my readers on another, because I got some glasses that I don't wear all the time because they only have like one function instead of my regular glasses. So anyway, that's what I wanted these for. And I think that's it, y'all. Stay tuned for another video. I'm going to share the rest of that Coach haul. But the video I was going to mention was the house purse, y'all. Yes, a house purse. I'm excited about sharing it. I think I'm going to film that next. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the very next video. Bye.